little weird situation. Was definitely not expecting SPY to crash this much. It definitely was my fault though. I bought calls extending into next week. What I should have done was notice that on Wednesday, rather than Thursday, the yellow line crossed the purple line on SPY going down. So when it crosses over going down, the price usually goes down with it. If it crosses over going up, then the price usually goes up with it. I failed to notice that because I was caught up in the extreme rally on AMD. So had I caught that, I would have sold AMD on the open on Thursday because I knew SPY was going to go down. I didn't catch that, so that is my fault, but I have these contracts until next week. I believe the SPY should be picking up next week. So we're going to continue holding them. As far as my work, 32.50 for this Friday, I'll probably have to sell that on open, just depending on how everything is going. I've definitely noticed that on the VIX as well, because on Tuesday, the VIX yellow line crossed the purple line. Oh, that's me. Shoot. So the Tuesday, the yellow line crossed the purple line. So I should have noticed that the SPY was going to crash. And this was prior to Wednesday. So knowing that the VIX crossed and then seeing that on Wednesday, the SPY crossed going down and the VIX had already crossed going Tuesday, I should have already pre-forecasted the SPY was going to crash. I was too caught up in my emotions thinking the Fed was going to continue pumping up the market, which it looks like apparently they did not do. But we'll see what happens. Taking a look at the 15-minute, which is the short run, it looks like SPY pretty much found its bottom, which was, right around here, right around 310. So I would say that'd be a double bottom from last Thursday. This Thursday, and then this Thursday, right around here. So Thursday here, and Thursday here. So there's a double bottom, which usually means there's going to be a reversal. Now, if SPY does break this trend and break below 310, then there will be a problem. That will be in bull territory because it breaks through the double bottom pattern and it will continue going down. However, I think it should still continue rising, but we'll never know. We'll have to see on open. And my positions right here, you're going to look at my 1381. It's probably going to go to half price instantly on open, probably around 800. And so usually if something like this happens, you just have to remain calm. I'm really not too worried about AMD crashing too much. AMD has their PS5 launch with Sony, so that's actually airing tonight. I believe that's going to be a really big catalyst for AMD to skyrocket. The AMD processor chip is in the PlayStation 5, which has amazing graphics, and they're launching that pre-sequel video tonight. So that should make AMD skyrocket, and you can see it's pretty much bouncing this gravitational line. As far as Pfizer just got FDA approval on one of their drugs. So I think Pfizer should start to skyrocket now. It might resist SPY, but you'll never know. Work should do something. I'm not sure about this week just because the yellow cross purple going down. That's all going to depend on SPY. They don't have any other big catalysts. So we'll see what happens on open, and I'll keep you guys updated. Once again, it was my fault that I failed to watch the VIX and watch the SPY. So at this point, I'm just taking a little bit of a risk, and that's just because the misfortune of SPY just crashing and me failing to notice that the yellow line is crossing purple going down. But I'll give you guys an update, and we'll see how the day goes.